Sidebox Photo Cleaner is an efficient Android application designed to help users organize and manage their photo collections. It provides a user-friendly interface that allows individuals to quickly review, sort, and delete unwanted photos, making it easier to free up storage space on their devices. The app typically employs a swipe-based functionality, enabling users to slide through their images and decide which ones to keep or discard with minimal effort. This intuitive approach makes the process of decluttering photo galleries both enjoyable and efficient. Sidebox Photo Cleaner often includes features like the ability to create albums, sort photos by date, and easily recover deleted images if needed, enhancing its utility. It may also offer options for bulk deletion, allowing users to remove multiple photos at once, streamlining the organization process. By effectively simplifying photo management, Sidebox Photo Cleaner helps users maintain a cleaner, more organized photo library while maximizing device storage, ultimately improving their overall user experience.